The next example, we've got here are the grades you received. So basically, let me zoom out of here so I can see what I'm doing. So we've got Mr. Brown's grade. Okay, let's look at that next. So Mr. Brown's grade, his weights are based on this, right? This is his weights right here for his class, right? And in this example, we're going to look to see, this is, here are the grades you received for this year. Test grades, you got the test grades over here. We got the test grades. These are the test grades, and then these are the quiz grades, and then these are the classwork grades, and then the homework grades, and of course you got the final grade. All right. Now, what's different about this problem as opposed to the last problem that we did with the other class is that here you actually have to find the average. Okay, you have to find the average and then multiply it times the weight. So here they didn't just give us the average; we actually have to find it first. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and set up our little chart over here. So make sure we do this. Okay. So my chart set up. Let's see how we go. Move this down a little bit. So my weight. This is my. So I'm gonna say my average, right? And over here my weight. And then you're gonna have the weighted average. Bring it down a little bit so you can see. Weighted average. Okay. All right. So now, like I said, with this problem, you actually have to find the averages of the test, quiz, classwork, homework. All right. Go ahead and do that. So for your test grade, that's in red right here, right? You have to take 90 plus 79 plus 84. Add them all together, it gives us 253, and we're going to have to divide that by 3 because there's 3 numbers. And the average for the test is 84.3. So that's the test grade, okay? 84.33. We'll do that, okay? And then we're going to do for the quiz now. So the quiz, okay, we have to find the average of the quiz grade. So let's do 100 plus 49 plus 82 plus 73. That's 304. We have to divide that by 4. All right, so that's 4 numbers. That'll give us 76. Okay. And now we're going to do the let's do the average for the classwork grade. Clear this up. Let's see, 100. That's basically 300. So 380, when you add them all together, you can divide it by 4. Classwork grade is 95. Right. Now we're going to do the homework grade. Okay, so it'll be 45 plus 95. That equals 140 divided by 2. We got 7. Okay, so now, what else we got left? Well, and then they give us the final grade, right? Let me see. Yeah. Then they give us final. The final is an 82. So that one, we have. We don't have to do anything with it, all right? So what do we do next? Well, of course, we grab all the weights, right? So that's what we have to do here. We take all the weights from Mr. Brown's class. And that's over here. That's what we're looking at right here, right? So let's go ahead and put all the weights in here, and we're going to put it right here in decimal. Okay? I'm going to look at it so I can see it from here. So it'll be, so this would be 0.4, 0.4, right? And this would be 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2. Right? And what do we do with them? Well, like the last one, we multiply. multiply this, multiply the average times the weight to get the weighted average. Got it? So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm going to do it in black this time. So let's see. All right, 84.33 times 0.4. That's 33.73. Let's make it 33.7. Okay, and then we got 76 times, let me just use all of this right here. All right. This thing is keep going up on the screen. Anyway, so 76 times 0.1, that's 7.6. Okay, and then we got 95 times 0.2, 19. Then we got 70 times 0.1, that'll be 7. And then we got all the stuff. The last one we got 82 times 0.2. That gives us 16.4. So now, when we add these together, what we'll get is we'll get the overall grade for this student in Mr. Brown's class, okay? So let's add all these numbers together to get the student's overall grade. That's going to go right here. Okay, I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, right. There we go. All right, so we got 33.7 plus 7.6 plus 19 plus 7 plus 16.4. And that is a total of 83.7 or 84. Okay? But the total is actually 83.7 and we just rounded it up to 84. Okay? So that is the overall grade for the student in Mr. Brown's class. So this concludes our lesson for today.